Welcome to Brivy IT, where we're redefining physical security for businesses in Utah and beyond. In today's fast-paced world, traditional security methods are no longer sufficient. That's why we're excited to introduce our cloud-based security solutions from Verkada that are changing the game. Many businesses are still relying on outdated CCTV systems that are not only cumbersome, but also lack the flexibility and scalability needed in today's dynamic environment. These systems often require heavy investments in hardware and ongoing maintenance, which can be both time-consuming and costly. In Utah, with its diverse range of industries from technology to healthcare, the need for robust, efficient, and adaptable security solutions has never been more critical. That's where Brivy IT comes in. Our cloud-based security solutions offer a modern, efficient, and user-friendly alternative to traditional systems. By leveraging the power of the cloud, we provide scalable, accessible, and cost-effective security that meets the unique needs of each business. Our hybrid cloud video security systems combine the best of both worlds, the reliability of onboard storage and the flexibility of cloud computing. This means you get up to 365 days of continuous video recording without the need for external devices like NVRs or DVRs. Installation is a breeze with Power over Ethernet, PoE, requiring no additional software or complex configurations. This makes it easy for any business to set up and start benefiting from our solutions quickly. Centralized management via our cloud platform allows you to access footage and control your security system from any device or browser, giving you peace of mind no matter where you are. Moreover, our systems are equipped with AI-powered analytics, providing advanced search capabilities, person and vehicle detection, and real-time alerts, ensuring that you're always one step ahead of potential security issues. One of our clients, a local retail store in downtown Salt Lake City, reported a significant reduction in their security management costs and a marked improvement in their ability to respond to incidents quickly after switching to our cloud-based system. At Brivy IT, we're committed to providing the latest in security technology to help businesses in Utah thrive in a safe and secure environment. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, our solutions are designed to scale with your needs. To learn more about how our cloud-based security solutions can benefit your business, visit our website at brivy.it.com or contact our team for a free consultation. Thank you for watching.